So today is the video that we are going to be going to IKEA to compile some ideas for the house. We're still waiting on permits and things to come through, and I need to, because I know permits are coming through probably this week, I need to make sure that I have ideas ready for when we get things rolling. So today is May, I think it's the 21st. Yes, May 21st. And we are on our way to IKEA. I'm going to the IKEA in College Park today, and then I'll probably go to the IKEA in Woodbridge, Virginia another time, and maybe that'll be another video. I'm not sure if I'm going to combine the two or make two separate videos. Depends on how long it takes me to get out to Woodbridge, because I might have to go ahead and edit this and upload it or whatever. But anyway, so the whole premise for today is just to go look around, get some ideas, get the mind jogging some as to what I would like to see in my home for the rebuild. So my son is coming with me, so I'm going to try to be on my best behavior because he hates me acting like me when we're out. So yeah, so anyway, let's do it, y'all. Let's go. Okay, we made it, and as big as this motherfucker looks, y'all, I am very overwhelmed to come in here and do what we gotta do, because they got an upstairs and downstairs. It's a lot. So we shall see. Alright, I don't know what we're doing, but Jesus, I know, right? Alright, let's go to the showroom. Okay, so we're going to showroom 1 through 10. I don't know what's in here, but we're going to showroom 1 through 10. There's a lot of people in here too. Okay, so I like the concept of this kitchen here with the island in the middle and the cooktop stand, like the cooktop is alone. I want double ovens, so the microwave will have to go somewhere, but I like this setup here. So this is, and the double sinks. I need 2 sinks. I have to have 2 sinks. I do not like just one. So this is a nice start. Very nice start. Okay, so we like this setup in the living room as far as like the entertainment center is concerned. Okay, so Monty says he likes this type of cabinet. It's built in. It's like it gets everything out the way, so might be something to look into for his bathroom. Okay, so Monty thinks he wants his closet set up a little something like this, which I totally am here for. I love that. So I like the peekaboo cabinets like this, the glass. So this is what I'm looking into as well. Okay, so my son brought me over here because this is more realistic for what we have going on. And I really like the way it's open. And it has that peekaboo cabinetry that I like. I do want the microwave over the stove, so that looks good. Probably double ovens like right there. But I like this space, the way they have it set up. I like these light fixtures right here. These ones over here, I like those ones. And this is really nice. I'm trying to see something along the lines where our sectional can fit. But we're kind of trying to get ideas based off of what we have. I love this shelving unit. So I'm considering building shelving. I think it would be really nice with these built-in shelving units and something like that back, that accent wall where with the electric fireplace. So I think that's something that I want to do as well. I'm getting a lot of good ideas in here, y'all. Like this little situation here. Makes sense. This is really nice. Y'all know how I am with my wine glasses and my champagne glasses and stuff. I kind of like that one for your bathroom because I think it'll stay cleaner than that one. But you said you wanted an all black and rose gold bathroom, though. That's brown.
For this side.
Floating setup is what Monty suggested. And I was thinking the same thing with like a fireplace in the middle of the floating storage situation. That's really, really nice. It caught both of our eyes. Let's go into see what's the deets on it. This is what I want, like the middle, the sink in the middle of the island, and then over there, you want, yep, move the microwave, and it don't even necessarily have to be. You're right, because I like the way the hood and the what's the name is set up.
Yeah.
And then honestly, I would probably put the microwave right there. Mm-hmm. But I like the cabinets. Yeah. Like that. Ooh, let's go over there. Yeah. But I would want like a divider or something. But I do like the way this is nice and clean. Okay, so I also like this one. I like the cabinets, the color of the cabinets and everything. And the peekaboo situation. So this is another one that I like. I don't necessarily like the sink or any of the light fixtures. I'm going back and forth about gas or electric. But Monty's like, I love this. So I have to agree with him here. I like the countertops. Those are really nice, but I don't know if I'm gonna do this type of white countertops, but I do not like the sink. There's no dishwasher? I really like this countertop, like color and everything. I really like this countertop.
Okay.
You like the hood? I like the other hood, the stainless steel hood.
Yeah, I like the stainless steel. I'm just saying.
Yeah, gotcha. Okay. I think this is cool for our space. Okay, so I like these cabinets. They don't have handles, but you push them and they come open. And they're soft close. Push it back. So that's baby proof and without even needing the baby proof. I don't know who have no babies, but I'm just saying. I do like that. And then over here, you can't even tell that the dishwasher is in there. So, oh, that's cool. I really like this, the way it's set up. Not the color, the setup. It's great. I love this. Or this one with the panel. Very nice. Or the black one. You see the black one up there? Yes. These ones. I like. So I do like the idea of the countertop with no bowl or anything for the sink, just the countertop and the drain like that. I think that's very nice, very modern. Okay, so I think I want something like this for my walls in my bedroom.
Okay, you guys, so I intended to record the entire IKEA experience, but we ended up looking at different things and then going downstairs to all the miscellaneous, like, little stuff. So we didn't record that, but I did get some shots afterwards of us having lunch together, and this is our lunch. Thank you for joining us, and see you next time through the fire.